Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to delete or remove radio buttons from your fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. And it's a radio button and I'll delete all of them on specific one. Now select form option and this is left side top corner, select annotation and drag your mouse and select a radio button. You can delete this radio button, press the delete key from your keyboard or press right button from your mouse cursor and is delete and see this radio button now delete. Also you can delete all of them, drag your mouse cursor and select a specific one. Now press delete key from your keyboard and delete, and finally select this file option and save and close this file and reopen. And this radio button now completely delete from our fillable PDF form, and there is a radio button here. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.